Hello everyone, welcome to J. Patel Mahila Science College. In previous lecture, discuss about aryl halide definition, IUPAC name, chemical reaction and the preparation of aryl halide. Now today's discuss about physical property of aryl halide component. Means what is the physical nature of aryl halide component? Generally, aryl halide component are similar properties to alkyl halide. Means generally chemical property as well as physical property of aryl halide component are similar to alkyl halide component. Means generally chlorobenzene and methylbenzene have a similar physical property, means color and water solubility, density, polarity, like physical property are same in aryl halide and alkyl halide component. Second one is generally aryl halide component are water insoluble nature, means water insoluble and soluble in organic component. For example, chlorobenzene is insoluble in water, but organic component like benzene, toluene, carbon tetrachloride, etc. This is the organic component are soluble in aryl halide component. Third one, physical property is density. Density comparison of generally water have a 1.0 gram per centimeter cube density, where other aryl halide component have a density value, means aryl halide component have a more than 1.0 gram per centimeter, means density is more than 1. Chlorobenzene, for example, chlorobenzene have a density value, chlorobenzene density value is 1.11 gram per centimeter, means more than one value in aryl halide component. Like bromobenzene have 1.27 gram per centimeter cube density, means all aryl halide component have a density is more than 1 gram per centimeter cube. And fourth one have a melting point and boiling point. Generally alkyl halide component, alkyl means CH3Cl methyl chloride, CH3 CH2Cl ethyl chloride, and another example is chlorine. Here comparison alkyl and aryl. This is the example of alkyl halide component. Means here methyl is alkyl group, ethyl is alkyl group. This is the example of aryl halide component. Now discussing melting point and boiling point. Which component have a higher melting point or boiling point? Generally discuss about the boiling point. Here boiling point value is always more than aryl halide. Means aryl halide is always greater value of boiling point compared to alkyl halide. Because here one alkyl group it is here 6 carbon atoms, means bonding formula is stronger in aryl halide. Here weaker bonding formation of alkyl halide component. This is the physical property of aryl halide. And one more thing, this is the polarity. Here all fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Electronegativity higher fluorine, next chlorine. Here electronegativity is 4, means fluorine. Chlorine have electronegativity 3, bromine have electronegativity 2.8 and iodine have a 2.5 electronegativity value. Means all are halogen compound have a negative charge. Means electronegative component all halogen compound. So all compound have a electronegative. Here chlorine and here chlorine. This is the example of alkyl halide. And this is the example of aryl halide. Both Cl means chlorine atom have a minus delta value and this is a plus delta. Here minus delta value, here plus. Because here halogen compound are electronegative compared to alkyl group and aryl group. But discuss about polarity of alkyl halide and aryl halide. Here alkyl halide have a polarity value, means mu value is 2.2D and here magnetic value mu is equal to 1.7D. Means polarity of alkyl halide group is always higher to aryl halide group. This is the physical property of aryl halide compound. Further discuss aryl halide compound physical property. First is aryl halide component have a similar property to alkyl halide. Means aryl halide and alkyl halide have a same physical property. But aryl halide component are water insoluble. Means chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene are water insoluble. But in benzene, toluene, chloroform, this is the organic component is dissolved in aryl halide component. And density is always higher to water. Means water have a density value is 1.0 and alkyl halide component means chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene have a magnetic value is more than 1 gram per centimeter cube. And melting point and boiling point, alkyl halide component and aryl halide compound. Alkyl halide component have a methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl group, and here benzene or phenyl ring, means here bonding is stronger compared to alkyl halide, means boiling point and melting point is always higher of aryl halide compound. And polarity, here all the halogen compounds are electronegative nature, means all halogen compounds are electronegative, but higher electronegativity is fluorine. Here example of alkyl halide and aryl halide. Alkyl halide and aryl halide both have a chlorine is halogen group, both have a minus electronegativity, and other functional group means alkyl, and here is aryl. So magnetic value means polarity is always higher compared to aryl halide component.